Imagine changing your IP address every 3 seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically rotate your IP in Kali Linux using the Tor network, fast, practical, and anonymous. And if we hit the externally managed environment error, we'll fix it instantly. Let's power up Kali and take control. In this video, I will show you how to automatically change your IP address in Kali Linux using the Tor network and Tornet. I am currently on my Kali Linux desktop. The first step is to open the terminal. Once the terminal is open, type the command sudo apt update. Then press enter. After updating the package list, type the next command, sudo apt upgrade. This command upgrades all installed packages to their latest versions. Once the upgrade process is finished, the next step is to install Tor. Type the following command, sudo apt install Tor. In my case, Tor is already installed, so I will proceed to the next step. Now we need to start the Tor service. To do that, type sudo system start Tor. This command starts the Tor service on the system. To verify whether Tor is running correctly, enter sudo system status Tor. As you can see, the Tor service is active and running successfully. Our next step is to install Python 3 pip. Type sudo apt install python 3 pip. Then press enter. This installs pip, which is the Python package manager. In my case, pip is already installed and updated to the newest version. Now we will install Tornet. Normally, you would type sudo pip install Tornet. However, as you can see, we are getting an error message that says externally managed environment. Do not worry about this error. I will now show you how to fix it properly. First, I will clear the terminal again. Next, install virtualenv by typing sudo apt install python 3 virtualenv. Press enter. In my case, it is already installed. Now it is time to create a virtual environment. This allows us to install Python packages without affecting the system environment. Before activating it, I need to make sure I am inside the correct directory. Once I move into the virtual environment folder, I activate it using source bin/activate. After activating, you will notice that the virtual environment name appears at the beginning of the terminal line. This confirms that the virtual environment has been successfully activated. Now we will return to the step where we encountered the Tornet installation error. Since we are inside the virtual environment, there is no need to use sudo. Simply type pip install Tornet. Press enter, and Tornet will install successfully without the externally managed environment error. Once Tornet is installed, the next step is to configure the browser. Open your browser, click on the three-dot menu, and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Network Settings section and select Manual Proxy Configuration. Enter the following details: SOCKS host 127.0.0.1, port 9050. Make sure SOCKS 5 is selected. Also, enable the option that says Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5. Then click OK to save the settings. Now the browser is successfully configured to use the Tor network. Next, we will launch Tornet. Use the appropriate Tornet command with the interval option. The interval simply means how many seconds you want to wait before changing your IP address. For example, you can choose 1, 2, 5, or even 60 seconds if you want it to change every minute. In this demonstration, I will set the interval to 3 seconds. This means the IP address will automatically change every 3 seconds. As you can see, Tornet has started, and the IP address is rotating automatically. To verify this, open your browser and visit the official website check.torproject.org. The website confirms that the browser is successfully connected to the Tor network. In a new tab, go to dnsleaktest.com. Here you can see the IP address assigned through Tor. If I refresh the page after a few seconds, you will notice that the IP address changes automatically. For more detailed information, click on the Extended Test option. It may take a few moments to complete. Once it loads, you can see that there is no trace of your original IP address. The connection is fully routed through the Tor network. This is how you automatically rotate your IP address in Kali Linux using Tornet while properly resolving the externally managed environment error. I hope you learned something valuable from this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for more technical tutorials. Thank you for watching.